Welcome to a new video. We're gonna go to my parents this weekend in the Netherlands to celebrate their wedding anniversary. And yeah, I already packed the bags, made sure the cats have enough food, that the cat litter is clean. And yeah, now we're ready to go to the train station. We just got out of the train, we're in the Netherlands now, and we're walking to the second-hand shop here. Gonna meet my mom there, and after that we go to my parents' home. Look. It's cute. We just arrived at my parents' house and now we're just gonna chill downstairs, eat some lunch because I'm hungry, and I'm gonna ask my sister to do my nails. No, but after this we have to finish wait, this is her. The slime anime, Attack on Titan was another one.
And did you finish the Spy Family?
No, not yet.
Because new season's coming in October already.
I just made a pin design from Lloyd. Did you see that one? And then as a wallpaper, she wanted Anya as a peanut, so I did that.
Oh yeah, it's a peanut? No, I did not see that. What? Oh, you made that. I love her face too. It's like a typical like Anya face.
I know, it was so fun to make.
Yeah.
Perfect.
No, you messed me up.
How long is the song?
It's almost done.
Oh, okay. Almost done. It's not almost done. It's taking forever.
I thought it was almost done, but the verse came again. I forgot about that. No.
It's over?
Yeah.
I'm probably really bad at this.
No, it's fine. Put it on normal.
Oh shit, it already started. Oh, I had to move?
No, just keep pressing. Yeah.
Hij kan het drinkbaar.
No, I don't. Wait, do I have to spend money?
No.
Oh, I just died from that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I even put it on normal.
It's way easier if you know the song. And I don't know any.
Heb ik mee weggegeven.
Oh, thank you.
Kijk, je moet dat niet bewaren. Waar we wel enjoy it. Ja, dus maybe half of this.
What? Oh, I said her joke wasn't fun.
What nail do you want?
I don't know.
The middle finger?
What was the plan?
The ring finger or the point finger?
I think let's start with this, and probably after this I'll decide that I want them all.
Okay, because then you point with style. Ooh.
Wow.
I liked your reaction. Wow.
A bunny? Look at that, it's so sparkly. I love it.
It's so sparkly, darling.
Can you now fix the face?
This one? And this back.
Ja. Wat doe je met het toekomst?
Morgen zijn we op de boot.
It is the next morning and I just woke up. I just have to get ready and go downstairs to eat some breakfast. And later today we are gonna go to the boat and also order pizza there, I think. So yeah, that'll be fun. I just got this Lego set from my sister and her boyfriend. It was still for my birthday, but they forgot to give it last time, so they gave it now. It's so cute.
into that a lot. I just not for like a year. Get your it's shifting, it's using like this shadowing and we're all going with
Omdat ik al in Bali was geweest.
zitten.
De mensen die in wat een beetje in betonnen huisjes zitten. Dat ik vond het er heel erg lijken. Nee, wat het is, maar ik heb het.
I can't wait.
Ja hoor, papa.
Jij had ook die andere in het saus. Ja, ik heb die ook in het saus. Nee, Hanne knoflooksaus.
Nou, hallo. Zo. Alsjeblieft.
Maar dat drie keer. Wat gaan we die tas doen? Gaan we die tas doen? Waar gaan we die tas doen? En toen stond die tas bij mij thuis. En toen reden wij zo die tas slaan. Ik dacht, die tas.
Hey Mo.
You have to move with your body as well. Twist, twist, jump, and do twist, jump, do a backflip.
Als je de verlichting omlaag.
I was like, what are you doing?
It is now the next morning and we just got ready and we're gonna go to the Albertijn now, which is a Dutch supermarket. And yeah, I'm just gonna get some Dutch snacks and food because we can't get that in Germany. So let's go.
You can come to my island right now and then I get everything.
We went to the grocery store and we bought some chips.
Got some snackies, we got some chocolate, some bread.
I got candy.
Candy.
And there's a cat. There's a cat.
Oh, it's so cute. Hello. Hi. What's up? Hi. We just got home and the cats are fine. Just have to clean up a little bit because there's cat litter everywhere. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat something real quick and then just watch some TV or play some games. Just relax and then go to bed. It is a few days later and I'm gonna build this mini Lego set that I got from my sister and her boyfriend. I was gonna build it already like a week ago, but I forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna build it now. Hi Kira. Alright, I guess we start with Han Solo. Did I just hear a cat under here? Hello, what you doing? All done now. Whee! I didn't know this, but you can actually shoot here, so look. Oh no, where did it go? Oh, you found it. Did I shoot you? Sorry.